Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? So today I want to talk to you about probably one of my favorite essential oils out there. It is citronella oil. It's 100% pure citronella oil from a company called Now Essential Oils. Really, really great. They're, I just have such a love for this oil, the scent of it, just everything. And yeah, pretty much the scent is the main reason that I purchased this. Citronella oil is pretty much a cousin of lemongrass. Like lemongrass, it has the really, really sharp, pungent, and also citrusy smell, which I really, really dig, hence the name citronella. And it's a really great way to bring kind of the freshness of the outdoors, the freshness of the orange groves into your home, which is awesome. It is pungent though. That is one thing that you do have to be careful about when using this oil, is you can easily use far too much of it and almost create an uninhabitable space for yourself just because it is so strong. But if you use it in moderation, it's awesome. I used to go to the orange groves a lot on Pleasant Valley, California when I was younger, and so what I love about this oil is it kind of brings back that fresh orange grove smell, really nice outdoor smell, and you can bring it to your home. I mean, I live in LA. We're in a densely populated neighborhood, and so having something that smells like fresh and natural and organic in the home is really important. And I think this is one of those things that it's just it really brings something invigorating to your household. I typically like to mix this with cedarwood. I found that this one especially, and I've had different types of citronella oil from different companies. This one specifically is very, very pungent, very strong smell, very sharp smell. And so I think mixing it with cedarwood kind of helps to tame that smell a little bit. And also cedarwood is such a nice natural smell, and I think because it's so like earthy and damp, it definitely mixes well with the citronella. And they complement each other in a way, which is cool. So yeah, my main use for this is in a diffuser. Again, I put it on, maybe let it run its course for a little bit and brighten up the house. And actually likes to use this topically. It has a really nice sweet citrusy smell. And I actually found out from her that they use this a lot in different perfumes, which totally makes sense. So, if you're looking for something to maybe apply topically to get a good fresh scent on yourself before you go out of the house, citronella is amazing for that. And also, it has a bunch of moisturizing properties like many essential oils, so it can double as that, as well as just like an excellent smelling thing. Let's discuss the bottle, I guess, a little bit. Bottle is pretty standard for what you would find for essential oils. It is, 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters, brown glass bottle, nice and strong. Love that it's not that like cheapy plastic. It does have a regular plastic lid, and unfortunately it does not come with a dropper, which, I don't know, with these kinds of oils it always kind of bugs me when they don't come with droppers, because you have to figure it out and use maybe a different one. I mean, you have this little thing on top, so you can get it out in little bits, but I always like when it comes with droppers. It just kind of makes it putting in diffusers and other things a little bit easier. But honestly, for the smell, I can live with that. It's not a huge deal. And then, overall, I mean, this is just a really, really cool company. I also love on the back of their bottles that they do this on all the Now Essential Oils bottles. They tell you what it does mix really well with. I've actually learned a lot about different essential oils from the backs of these bottles. And then, kind of made my way online and looked around to see why is that so? And they kind of tell you, where it was extracted, what it's good for, the aroma, everything like that. And I really, really like that it comes packed with information, even on such a tiny bottle. But yeah, if you're looking for a good way to really lighten up your smell in your household or whatever, You know, you can also put this in candles outside, like unscented candles for little backyard parties or barbecues and things like that, and get a nice fresh smell. We've done that as well. It's really cool. But yeah, citronella oil from Now Essential Oils, 100% pure, really great smelling stuff, and I would highly recommend it. All right, take it easy, y'all.